vaccines are in place even as a second wave of coronavirus is expected. Life across the world was slowly but steadily limping back to normalcy. Expectation of vaccines by January has been a shot in the arm for all. But an alarm bell that rang in the UK has forced authorities to roll back things back to square one. This followed the discovery of a stronger COVID-19 mutant in Britain. The world has banned flight operations to and fro the UK. The newly discovered virus is said to spread 70% faster than the prevailing one. Researchers say the present coronavirus is just a lighter version of the one in the pipeline. The new virus is known as VUI 2020-12-01 or lineage B117. The new variant virus carries as many as 14 mutations. The mutation makes it more powerful from its earlier format. Now, many countries are sealing their borders and reinstating almost all restrictions. The mutation makes the virus more powerful from its earlier format. The UK has announced the strictest lockdown than that was imposed earlier this year. Canada and the US are well preparing to address the new and dangerous situation. Many European countries have already announced a repeat lockdown known as Tier 4. Health experts say the virus was warming up in 2020 to present its monstrous form in 2021. The authorities across the globe are speeding up formalities to lock down all once again. India, being third in the list of highest number of COVID-19 infections after the US and Brazil, is all likely to roll out Tier 4 restrictions. More than a repeat season of stay-at-home episode, it's a likely setback for the COVID-19 vaccines that worry health authorities. But health authorities negate this. They say the mutations are unlikely to affect the efficacy of the vaccines, which are supposed to stimulate a broad antibody response. According to Dr. Catherine O'Brien of WHO, vaccines basically are a highly weakened part of the germ which the body can recognize. So, when one is infected with a disease, there are already fighters inside the body to protect against the infection. The fighters are known as antibodies. And once we have fighters inside the body to fight against the spike protein, there is a much lower chance of getting infected with COVID-19. The immune systems of humans are highly proactive, and the vaccines are only small parts of the germ against which the immunization is done. There is a built-in system for highly assured safety measures before a vaccine is authorized to get administered on humans. For now, the administration of vaccines against COVID-19 and the lockdown to check spread of its stronger version will go simultaneously. But even as there are apprehensions world over, the World Health Organization is optimistic and asserts that the mutated virus B117 is totally controllable. The WHO Director General says there was zero evidence that the new variant is more dangerous and has increased in severity. WHO's chief scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan says there have been many variants that emerged in the past months. Some have been successful and some unsuccessful, and none were found to have a higher severity. Whatever be the exact position, one thing is almost clear. There is going to be tough times and movement restrictions for many more months. It's unlikely that the fear and care for coronavirus is going to end with 2020 for sure. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.